Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video I'll show you how to use Japanese conversation practice Cudu that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest video. So as you can see, I have opened my Google Play Store and I have searched Japanese conversation practice, and here it is. So before we install this app, let's take a look at the pictures in here. The best practices for communication skills, collection of Japanese conversation, over 30 conversations in each chapter, over 300 useful sentences in Japanese, friendly interface and easy to use, quick search sentences, practice with AI recognition, improve your skill for everyday, and so on. Alright, let's go ahead and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that this application helps you immediately improve your communication skills in Japanese. In daily communication, travel, shopping, together, work, weather, support for learning, research, job, travel, study abroad, labor, export, and so on. The main features of this application includes nearly 100 topics covering all aspects of life. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. And here it is. So these are the languages that you can choose from. So we're using the English. Choose English and tab to show the menu, this one. So 30 chapters there, quick search, tab to show favorites, and so on. Alright, so let's go ahead and check the chapters. So these are the conversation. So as you can see, just have to tap it like that and you will have this conversation. So the dialogue, let's start listening the conversation. So you can tap the preview and it's going to be like this. So you can now listen there. So this will be able, you will be able to practice pronouncing the right words. So it says, Hajimemashite, hi, how are you? O genki desu ka? I'm good, how are you? Genki desu. Anata wa genki desu ka? Watashi mo genki desu. Watashi wa, anata wa Nihonjin desu ka? Are you Japanese? Hai, so desu. Nihon no doko kara kimashita ka? Tokyo から来ました。I'm from Tokyo. Nice to meet you. どうぞよろしくお願いします。Nice to meet you too. こちらこそよろしくお願いします。So you can now, once you're done listening to this conversation, you can proceed to the next one if you want to. You just have to allow the microphone. And then this one, the settings. So there, you can practice. You can tap this to listen. And then you can tap this to show. Alright, so it needs, so if you want to use this feature, you need to download additional resources. So this one is if you want to add this to your favorites, so by tapping the heart icon. So settings is where you can, the gear icon is where you can enable or disable this. So like that, if you want to enable or disable. Then next there, so these are the flashcards that you need to memorize. Though if you notice, it has an ads and the premium version doesn't have. So I recommend that you purchase the premium version to unlock all the features without ads. So you can now proceed with the sentences. So learn now. So there, just have to read it like that, and then you will also see your progress above. So you can do it later, exam, then practice. So let's go back and check the other options in here. So menu, let's go to menu. So in menu, you can only see favorites, conversation, language, share this up, remove ads, and about. So for the conversation, this is your, you can choose your language. So since English, I'm using English. If you notice, I have now added one favorites here by tapping the heart icon. You can also do a quick search like that. You can type it in Japanese or in English, so it's up to you. So in English, you can scroll down, look for the words, or you can type the word that you want to search. So let's say love. Alright, there's no such thing as love. Alright, so just use the quick search if you want to. And this one is the phrases that you want to study. So pin, we haven't pinned anything yet. So it has also quick search, and let's go ahead and try this one. So just have to tap it like that, and you'll be able to listen to the pronunciation and how to say it properly. This one is tabi mono. There, just tap any of these so that you'll be able to practice. And let's proceed to other parts, chapter 2. And in chapter 2, there's a lot of conversation happening. So meeting, planning, invitation. So if you notice, there's a lot. Conversation 8, conversation 9. You just have to choose any of these. So let's say this one. Did you get my message? Tap it, and then you will have this dialogue. So let's start to listen. There. So hello, it's going to be on the phone. Moshi moshi, Tanaka desu, Yamada desu. Yamada-san, genki desu ka? Genki. I called you yesterday. Did you get my message? When I was taking a shower when you called. So I was taking a shower when you called. I saw that you called, and I tried to call you back, but I think your phone was off. No problem. I wanted to remind you that my friend is getting married next week. So there, that's the conversation between Tanaka and Yamada. So you're still coming to the wedding with me, right? Oh, is that next week? Yes, did you forget? So if you notice, it's already written in hiragana in kanji. So you have to practice the kanji as well. So kanji is a little bit difficult to learn, but you just have to consistently learn it, and you'll be able to memorize all of the alphabets. So start from hiragana and katakana, and once you're able to remember or memorize it, then you can proceed to kanji, which is more advanced topic. So let's proceed to chapter 3. And for chapter 3, you will have this lot of conversations. So up until conversation 32. So let's try this one, conversation. Your English is so well, and you can tap the preview first. So there, that's the conversation. There, you can read it. And if you want to listen, you just have to tap this one, listen, and the conversation will going to start. Suzuki, your English is so good. Suzuki-san, eigo ga jousu desu ne, and so on. So there, it's really easy to use, and I highly recommend this to anyone who's already familiar with hiragana and katakana and already know some of the kanji. Then this app is for you. Or if you're already good in reading kanji, then this app is for you, since you will be able to practice and listen at the same time, so you can sharpen your Japanese skills. So if you notice, some of the contents are not available, just have to buy the premium version to unlock all the contents and also to remove the ads. So there, your favorites, I already have one there. So that's how you use this application. It's really easy to use, and this app can help you improve your communication skills in Japanese. I hope that you have learned something for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.